Hey, what's good, people? It's Vita's Tech. After a short, 2-week delay, we have the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro in-house now. I'm just gonna be honest, I wasn't too upset about these being delayed. I was probably the least excited about these. I think I just have to accept the fact that I am not a fan of Samsung earbuds. I've tried the Galaxy Buds, the Buds FE, the Buds 2 Pro. I play with them for a couple weeks, maybe a couple months, then I go ahead and sell them for a loss. So I don't have high hope for these. But look, if you listen to the hype, these are the ones. These are Bluetooth 5.4, IP57. They got the cool blade lights, which, let me just rant real quick. The blade lights absolutely should have been on the Galaxy Buds 3. By the way, I've been loving these. They got some real competition just within the internals of the company. The Buds 3, fantastic earbuds. But yo, back to the Buds 3 Pro. These have super clear call, adaptive noise control, that they have that siren detection, which is like really cool. They got that two-way speaker with the dual amp. Did I say the high quality audio? The Bluetooth 5.4, I'm probably repeating myself now because I forgot what I said in the first place, but they also have Smart Connect. Now, the difference between Smart Connect and multi-point pairing means any device you have the earbuds connected to, they'll pair up with. These, the Smart Connect, they'll only pair up with other Samsung devices. So that's one thing you really, if you got like a Pixel and then you have a OnePlus, or I mean, if you have like a Samsung phone and then you got a Pixel or a OnePlus, it's not gonna automatically switch over. Yo, the box is trolling right now. Get out here right now. I was trying to be smooth about it, but you can see taking a huge L against the box right now. Let's see. Let me just threaten it a little bit. I think it might be there. There's a little bit of adhesive somewhere in there. But yeah, tons of features, tons of specs that I'm probably forgetting. Let's go ahead and take that out the box. Let's see. Find your perfect fit. Pair with your mobile device. Okay. In the box, really no need for an unboxing. We don't get anything that's worth really talking about. At least you do have a decent length Type-C to Type-C cable. And I am assuming that these are the ear tips. Now, the earbuds was delayed because people was having issues with the ear tips. Now, honestly, just me being truthful, look, I'm gonna replace these anyways. I've never had success with Samsung ear tips, so I'm probably gonna replace these with some spin fits anyway. So that wasn't a big issue for me because I replaced all of my earbud tips after the initial review just so I can have a better fit. But that's pretty much everything you get in the box. Here are the buds themselves. Now, they feel the same. They pretty much look the same. Not sure if I can see any difference between the Buds 3 Pro and the Buds 3 case, which again, there is no reason why. Look at Leo, that is so cool. Did you see the lights pop up on here? There is no reason that these shouldn't have been on the Buds 3. Man, that was a huge miss. But yeah, the Buds 3 Pro, here they are. They look the same. They feel the same. Let's go ahead and take out the Buds 3. And yeah, pretty much the same. They look the same, feel the same. These have the silicone tips. Now, like I said, there's no reason that these should not have had the glowing lights. That was just such a cool feature that was a missed opportunity for. But pretty much, let's go ahead and see if we can connect software just like that. They are pairing up. Let's not agree to anything we don't have to agree to. Adaptive noise control. See all the settings, turn on A and C. All right, voice and siren detection, was just talking about that. That's cool. Says you're all set. Now, by the way, I still am waiting for my Z Flip 6. This is my Z Flip 5, still waiting for my 6. We'll see if I ever get them. But yeah, within the app, you have the ambient sound, the adaptive, the active noise cancellation, auto switch to ambient sound. You got voice detect, siren detect, use ambient sound during calls. That is definitely something I might check out. Earbud controls. You do have a little bit of customization within the app. The earbud light controls. You can blink, fade in and out, stay steady. Let's see if we can show them out. Let's get them outside the case. What did it say? Pinch on and off. Hold both earbuds. So do you just do like that? There they go. That's cool. So for the lights, you can have them blinking. Let's see if you can see that. So there they are blinking. Let's fade in and out. So that's how they look like when they're fading in and out. Not sure if my camera's picking that up. And then you just got the steady, of course. That is so cool. Like I said, there's no reason that feature shouldn't have been on the Buds 3. Let's go back. You got to find my earbuds. Let's back out of that, because not trying to dox myself. You got the tips and user guide. Control your earbuds with gestures. 360 audio recording. Adaptive noise cancellation. Pair with your phone or tablet. I will be using this between my Z Flip 5, hopefully 6, one day soon, my S24 Ultra, and also my Tab S9 Ultra, and my TV as well. So like I said, I'm excited for the Samsung earbuds because, you know, the hated word, the ecosystem, but really excited to try these out. Really hope these really are the ones, because like I said, I have not been a fan of Samsung earbuds in the past. Now, the Buds 3, completely different beasts. Have absolutely been loving everything about these. But all of the other earbuds from Samsung that has the silicone tips, I have not been a fan. I always end up selling them sooner or later. So I really do hope these are the one. I'm about to go try these out. I've been waiting 2.5 weeks for these. Let me know what you want to know about these in the comments below. Hit me up. I'm still looking for some decent cases for these earbuds because, being honest, this case absolutely sucks. So I need some good cases. If you have any, yo, hit me up in the comments. It's Redoes Tech. I'll catch you on the next one. Later.